how to enable or disable NSFW filter on Reddit. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to reddit.com. Once you're routed to the page, sign in onto your Reddit account. Now, as you can see, we have our Reddit signed in already. And in our homepage, all we need to do is to click on Create Community here in this section. Click on it. Once you've clicked on Create Community, a pop-out will show up. Now, once you can see the pop-out, let's simply create a community. First, start off with your name and the community type. And in here, under adult content, you can actually see 18-plus-year-old community. If you want to enable NSFW, simply tick on the box, but if not, then untick the box and create community. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys find this video helpful.